Hi everyone, my name is Jorge. I'm the head bartender of SMOKE&MIRRORS bar here in Singapore. So today I've got something else to show you with one of my favorite tequilas. In this case is Código 1530 Añejo. Alright, so yeah, I've got a little bit here. Normally I drink this neat or on the rocks, but today I want to show you something very simple to make with only 2 more ingredients. So let's start. We are gonna build this cocktail straight on the glass. I'm gonna start with 45 ml of Código 1530 Añejo. So this tequila is actually aged for 18 months in French Cabernet Sauvignon oak barrels, which is not the usual to age tequilas. Then we move to Nocturne Noir. This is an artisanal Asian aged spirit made with Arabica coffee beans from Colombia. Such a beautiful aroma. I'm using just 15 ml, 1.5. There is no sugar inside this spirit, but it's gonna give a nice balance because of this fruitiness from the coffee. The aroma is incredible. For the sweet part, instead of sugar, we're gonna use Código agave. So this is just pure agave nectar. If you have something like this in your house, you can use to measure the half teaspoon, which is 2.5 ml. Otherwise, just a little splash of this is good enough. For the garnish and also to use as a tool, we've got cinnamon stick that we are gonna use before adding the ice to stir and mix all the ingredients together. ¿Me pasas un hielo? This is how I keep the ice at home. Then we move to the dilution. So with this process, basically we chill the liquid and also we add a little bit of water into it. And then for the final step, so basically we've got a lemon peel that we just squeeze on top of the drink, releasing all the oils in it. So this citrusy aroma is gonna complement the drink very well. Alright, there you go, your Código 1530 Añejo Old Fashioned. Enjoy guys, salud!